I know some of y'all watch like intense cleaning videos and all this different stuff. This is just a regular little small house that I need to keep tidy and clean for the purposes that I need it tidy and clean for. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Maya. I'm in like a very fun, chatty, talkative mood today, but I'm in the mood. I'm here in the house to clean. I'm cleaning the house for the next tenants, so that's what I'm gonna be doing on a regular basis, pretty much showing y'all that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm about to put some music on, so I was like, let me go ahead and introduce myself, talk to the camera for a little bit. Y'all seem to like clean videos, so I'll probably be doing more of those. Cleaning and skincare, which is funny. That's what my channel is starting to become about, but it's fine, you know, do the things that people like. Anyway, so let me go ahead and just start doing that because I'm like, I have a lot of energy today. I'm just in a good mood. I don't know why I'm showing y'all my outfit. So anyway, let's go ahead and start cleaning. Oh, these shoes cute. They're old. Let me start cleaning the house. This is what it looks like currently. Room. I didn't take those ugly. These curtains, I think I'm about to take these down now because they're just ugly. I need like better decor in here. Bathroom. So yeah, it's not bad in here at all. I'm just gonna pretty much do a basic cleaning. So yeah, stay tuned.
Take me. Take me.
Okay guys, so I just finished cleaning the house. There's my little puff puff, I can see back there. Is it handprints? Maybe I need to wipe this down again. Anyway, let me go ahead and give you guys a final walkthrough of everything. I still need to take this little bag out. But yeah, so let me show you the house. So, come on, focus. All right, so rug, floors, this is the couch. I'm watching YouTube. And it's bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. And then 3. This is the bathroom. Living room from a different angle. Okay. So yeah, this is back down to the, you know, the little hall area. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I know y'all, some of y'all watch like intense cleaning videos and all this different stuff. This is just a regular little small house that I need to keep tidy and clean for the purposes that I need it tidy and clean for. So that's what I do, and I do well at that. So yeah, that's it. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave those down below. Again, my name is Maya. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye for now.